Budgeting your money effectively begins with understanding your income and your expenses. Start by tracking all sources of income, whether from a job, side hustle, or investments. Next is to list all your monthly expenses, categorizing them into essentials like housing and utilities, non essentials such as entertainment and dining out. This breakdown helps you see where your money is going. So once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, set realistic financial goals. These can range from saving for an emergency fund to pay off debt or building long-term wealth. Prioritize your spending as allocating a set amount for each expense category, ensuring that essentials are covered first. It's also wise to factor in savings, treating it as a fixed expense rather than an afterthought. Consider using budgeting tools or apps to stay organized and keep track of your spending. These tools can help you visualize your financial situation, making it easier to adjust as necessary. Look for areas where you can cut back on discretionary spending, such as reducing impulse purchases or cooking at home more often. All right? So, lastly, regularly review your budget to ensure that it reflects any changes in your income or financial goals. By consistently monitoring and adjusting your budget, you're going to be better equipped to manage your money and achieve financial stability. Let me know if this helped.